Have you ever heard of dark comets? They're like cosmic ninjas hiding in the darkness of space. Unlike their bright and flashy cousins, these comets are much harder to see. They don't have those beautiful, glowing tails that streak across the night sky. But don't let their name fool you, dark comets are just as important to understanding our solar system. Imagine a giant snowball made of ice, dust, and rock. That's what a typical comet is like. As it travels close to the sun, the ice melts and vaporizes, creating a long, bright tail. This is what makes comets so spectacular to see. Dark comets are a bit different. They are also made of ice, dust, and rock, but they've lost most of their ice over time. This means they don't have much material to create those bright tails, making them almost invisible to us. Think of it like this. You have two snowmen, one fresh and one that's been sitting in the sun for a while. The fresh snowman will have a bright white snow, while the older snowman will be dull and grayish. Dark comets are like the older snowmen. They've been around for a long time and have lost some of their sparkle. So how do we tell the difference between a dark comet and a regular asteroid? It's all about their behavior. Comets, even dark ones, travel in elongated orbits around the sun. This means their distance from the sun changes drastically throughout their journey. Asteroids, on the other hand, tend to have more circular orbits and stay relatively close to the sun. So by observing the path of a celestial object, astronomers can distinguish a dark comet from an asteroid. Another clue lies in their composition. Dark comets, despite their name, can still release small amounts of gas and dust. These releases are much fainter than those of bright comets but can be detected with advanced telescopes. These faint traces of activity are another telltale sign that we're looking at a dark comet and not just a space rock. Imagine you're trying to find a firefly on a dark night. It's much easier to spot a firefly when it lights up, right? Similarly, those tiny gas and dust releases help astronomers find dark comets in the vast darkness of space. Dark comets are like time capsules from the early solar system. They hold valuable clues about what our cosmic neighborhood was like billions of years ago. Because they've changed so little over time, they provide a glimpse into the conditions and materials that existed when our planets were forming. By studying their composition, we can learn about the distribution of elements in the early solar system. This helps us understand how planets like Earth came to have the right ingredients for life. Who knows what secrets these cosmic time capsules might hold? Imagine finding a dusty old book in your attic. By opening it and reading its pages, you can learn about the past and the people who lived before you. Dark comets are like those old books, offering a fascinating glimpse into the history of our solar system. Section 4. Unmasking the invisible: how we find dark comets. Finding dark comets is like finding a needle in a haystack, but, astronomers have some tricks up their sleeves. They use powerful telescopes, both on the ground and in space, to scan the skies for these elusive objects. One such telescope is the Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, or PanSTARRS, in Hawaii. It scans the entire night sky every few days, searching for any moving objects, including dark comets. Another important tool is the use of infrared astronomy. Dark comets may not reflect much visible light, but they do emit infrared radiation, which is heat. By using infrared telescopes, astronomers can detect the faint heat signatures of these hidden objects. Think of it like using a night vision camera. Just like a night vision camera helps us see in the dark, infrared telescopes help astronomers find objects that are hidden from our normal vision. Section 5. The quest for more future discoveries. The study of dark comets is just beginning. As we build even more powerful telescopes and develop new technologies, we're bound to discover many more of these fascinating objects. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the origins of our solar system and our place in the universe. Maybe one day, you'll be the one to make the next big discovery. So keep looking up at the stars and never stop asking questions about the universe around us. There's still so much out there to explore.